Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to tell you about a new job vacancy for which the company is hiring for work from home. So it is going to be domestic process. If you are not fluent in English, so you can apply. Just you should have a little bit knowledge of English. Because the company is hiring for domestic process, you have to handle the queries of Indian clients or customers. So you have to handle the 80% calls in Hindi, and sometimes the rest of 20% calls you have to handle in English. Who the customer who don't know your native language or Hindi, so in these cases you have to speak in English. So a little bit knowledge if you have, then you can apply. And company is hiring for blended process. So if you don't know about it, in blended process sometimes you have to handle the calls of customers through calling, and sometimes you have to solve the queries of customers through chat. So it is called blended process. So guys, now let's talk about company's name, that is Jio company. So here Jio company is hiring for domestic process, like the customers who are using Jio product or services. So if they face any problems related to Jio product, so they will call you, and sometimes they will contact you through chat. So in these cases you have to handle the queries, you have to solve the queries through chat. Sometimes you have to handle the queries through call. So this company is hiring for work from home, so you must have laptop or Wi-Fi connection, then you can apply. So guys, the part of eligibility criteria is going to be very important for you all. So you have to understand all the things like who all can apply and how to apply for this opening. So after that you can apply the same. So it is going to be very important for you all. So let me take you to my laptop screen, where I will let you know everything in details, like how to apply, and I will share HR's number so that you can contact them. Just you have to watch this video till end so that you can understand all the things. So let me take you to laptop screen, where I am going to share all the information about it. So guys, as you can see here, Reliance Jio is hiring for customer service representative, and these vacancies are available for like who all can apply. If you are from Indore, Pune, Jamshedpur and Bhopal, Pune, Odisha, then you can apply. But if you are not from, but you are from near these cities, so even you can apply. Once you can ask to HR, like I am from these locations, so this location I can apply or not. So I have put both link in the description. When you click on the link, you will be redirect like this. So as you can see, if you are a fresher and experienced, both can apply, and you will get salary package like 1,50,000 to 2,50,000 per annum. So you can say like in a month you will get 12k to 15k, and it's up to your interview, like how much experience do you have and how much salary you are getting in last organization. So according to this, company will offer the salary. So we will read about a job description. So here, hiring for Reliance Jio for customer service representative. So here you can see like hiring candidates with excellent communication skills, like what your native language is. So you must have good communication skills in your native language. So it is for telecom, for broadband and blended process. So you can see in blended process, sometimes you have to handle through call, you have to solve the queries through chat sometimes. So as you can see, so one thing that is very important for you all, like who candidates from non-metro cities can only apply. Like if you are living in metro cities, so you are not able to apply. Like suppose if you are living in Delhi NCR, living in Bangalore city, so you can't apply. But if you are from non-metro cities but you are living in Delhi, so you can say I am living in non-metro city, you can apply. लाइक अगर आप यहाँ पे मेट्रो सिटी पे हैं तो यहाँ पे अप्लाई नहीं कर पाएंगे. अगर आप लोग नॉन मेट्रो सिटी हैं, मीन्स आपके जो एड्रेस में नॉन मेट्रो सिटी का एड्रेस वहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है, तो आप लोग यहाँ पे अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. And it will be for 6 days working, and you will get 1 week off. So it can be any time week off, like it is going to be rotational week off. And if you are a graduate and undergraduate, both can apply for this opening. So as you can see, fresher, salary, experience, if you have experience you will get good salary. So if you can apply, maximum is 40 years. So how to apply for this opening? So now you can see these are number available. You can see So here first of all you have to share your resume through WhatsApp, and if they are not responding, so you can call to HR in duty hours like 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday to Saturday. You can call to HR. If he or she is not seeing your message, so as you can see in second opening, so let's talk about it. So hiring for blended process, the same thing here, that like if you are from 9 metro cities, you can apply, and candidates should have excellent in verbal and written English communication. Like if you have completed your intermediate, like if you have passed 12th, you can apply. But apart from this, you must have 6 months experience of BPO, then you can apply. If you are a graduate or undergraduate, so both can apply as a fresher. But if you have completed your intermediate, so you are supposed to be 6 month experience, then you can apply. And you should have good hold on language, like what is your native language. In that language you must have good communication skills, but you should have a little bit knowledge of English. And you will get split shifts, like sometime like for 4 hours you have to do login in different time and the rest 4 hours you have to log in different times. So sometimes you have to log in daytime or night time. So according to the process they will let you know about everything, and it will be for 6 days working, and you will get one rotational week off. As you can see, salary same salary, and the age criteria is 40 years. You can apply up to 40 years. Candidates should be fully vaccinated, second dose. So here vaccination would be compulsory. Like if you have taken vaccine, then you can apply. So now how to apply for this opening? As you can see, this is HR number. So first of all you can share your resume on WhatsApp. If they are not seeing your message, they are not responding of your message, so in duty hours you can call to HR. So this is the way you can apply. If you are from non-metro cities, you can apply. Once you can ask to HR if you are not from these locations like Bhopal, Pune, Odisha. So guys, I hope you must have got all the information about all the things. So I have put both link in the description, so you can check. And if you are not from this, so again I am saying you can ask to HR. So I hope you must have got all the information. If you like this video, you can hit like button and subscribe our channel. I keep uploading the videos related to it, like related to job. So let's meet in another video. So then take care, bye bye.